you tired of using your two phones to operate two different WhatsApp accounts? Or are you still looking for a way on how to use your two numbers to operate WhatsApp in one phone?
Ask your grandfather.
Well, this video is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 very easy and basic ways on how to use your two WhatsApp numbers in one phone simultaneously. Let's get to it. What's up guys, it's your boy Mario and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sure by the time you guys already know what's up. Please, if you are new to this channel, watch the end of this video. Please, it's really important. Watch the end of this video, like, subscribe and comment on how you feel about this video. So our first method is the native app cloning. Several manufacturers have natively implemented a solution to let people simultaneously use two accounts in the same messaging app. If your device supports it, it's by far the easiest and the most convenient way to text with two different WhatsApp numbers in your phone. With this method, notification will be handled natively, and most phones will identify the secondary account with a badge. And this method varies in different kinds of devices. Before I get into the kind of devices to use this method on, make sure you already have the WhatsApp up and running in your phone. So the first device to use this method on is the Samsung. If you have a Samsung phone with One UI, you've probably noticed that your phone will ask you if you wanted the secondary WhatsApp account when you are installing the WhatsApp on your phone. If you've dismissed the prompt, then no problem, as it's effortless to set up a second copy of the app. Just head over to the headset setting, then go to advanced features, then Dual Messenger. You'll be able to select which app you want to clone, with the second one appearing in the launcher with a small badge, letting you tell them apart with a glance. Samsung implementation is complete as it enables you to use a separate contact list for the cloned app, which can be particularly convenient to avoid texting someone from the wrong account. The second device to use this method on is the OnePlus. Thanks to Oxygen OS, OnePlus devices also support this feature. To activate it, go to your phone settings, then head to apps, then go to parallel apps. You will then see which ones can be cloned and be used as a second account. Simply tap the toggle to create a parallel version of WhatsApp. Then head over to the app drawer to open a newly created cloned app, which is identified with an orange badge to start the account registration process. The next device to use this method on is the Huawei or the Honor. The process is similar for Huawei and Honor phones as well. To get a cloned WhatsApp on your device, head over to phone settings, then you go to apps, then app twins, then head over to the toggle next to WhatsApp. The duplicated app will now appear in your launcher with a blue badge next to its icon, and that will let you know which account you are using. And the last phones to use this method on is any other brand. And for other brands of devices, other device brands allow you to natively clone apps as well, depending on your device brand, model or software version. You should be able to find the option to duplicate an app and run two parallel accounts under your phone settings. For the Xioma devices, just head to your phone settings, then click on dual apps, and you'll be able to clone any app you want. For Oppo devices, you head over to your headset settings, then click on clone apps, then you can be able to clone the app you want. For Vivo devices, you find the option to use dual app under your phone settings, then click on app clone, then you'll be able to clone your app. For Asus, just turn on twin app in your device settings, then you'll be able to clone your app. The second method is the WhatsApp business.
Bad man, they make the money, they ball the ball. The ball, the ones that they call themselves baller. Now they buy the ball where they ball.
The advantage of this method is that it works on all Androids and any iOS phones. Why do we not list it first then? Because it has a few shortcomings. First, depending on what purpose you are using that number for, you might want to be careful, as the other party will know you are testing a business account from the start, which may be confusing. Also, if you need a business account for work, you have to sacrifice it for your second line. But if these options are fine with you, installation is really easy, and the app is just like the regular one. There's even the features to call people, so you won't be lacking any features. Lastly, the app has slightly different icon, letting you know which account is being used. The third method I recommend for you guys is the parallel spaces. If your phone doesn't really support app cloning and WhatsApp business isn't really an option for you, some apps let you create a sandbox for that purpose. This is the least convenient method, but it's worth considering if you need more than two accounts on your phone. They are not necessarily hard to set up, but it requires more resources than the other methods I listed, and they are not natively integrated. There are a bunch of options to consider, but there are two apps that are the lightest and easiest to use, which are Parallel Space Lite Dual App and Dual Space Multiple Accounts. Regardless of which options work for you, there may be caveats to consider, not merging contact lists or avoiding to text someone from a wrong account. But bear in mind, both of the two apps I recommended for you guys will have access to the same files and photos, which may not be great for everyone. However, if you are fine with these shortcomings, it's very easy to use several accounts in a single phone. You can even use a combination of these three methods I listed for you if you're a stalker. In addition to what I've said, the first and the third method works with other apps also, such as Messenger, Instagram, and Telegram. So they may also make sense for other use cases as well. Traditionally, using two WhatsApp accounts on a single smartphone wasn't really possible. But now many phones include built-in features like app cloning. Even if your phone doesn't have this feature, you have other ways to work around this annoying limitation.
He shock you.
Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And
You are a mumu man.
wait, what? That wasn't the meme I was meant to show. But anyways, please give this video a thumbs up, comment on how you feel about this video, and please subscribe and turn on your notification. We'll see you in my next video. See ya.